Got a bit of a unicorn here, so I wanted to do a video to try to explain what we have, how we're selling it, and also what it's not. So one, this is a early style 40-30, 42-30, 44-30 high-low planetary and clutch drum. It is not a complete high-low assembly because you don't see the brake piston in here. Most of the time we sell these complete, and you can't get the 3-boat style anymore. Deere subs you up and you have to buy this 6-boat. So we may use this much faster than we would sell it, but we're going to offer it anyway. So this here is just an example of what's with it. We do sell the Planet. It's a complete planetary. It's got the lower sun, or depends on how you look at it, lower sun gear and the sun gear with the clutch, where the clutch is run. So that's included. We're not worrying about thrust washers. We're not worrying about bearings, shims, any type of wear item. We're basically selling this to the guy that actually can do the rebuild. You can see there's no clutches inside of it. There's no sealing rings on it. It all looks good. And the reason we're selling it and offering it like this is because that's how we'll use it. So if this stock number is not available, then probably we won't have it. We would already use it, or we've already sold it. So this has been disassembled. It's been inspected. We're going to make sure we cover up these sealing rings good so that nothing happens to them. You know, those are bad about being, they'll break off. So I'm going to gently turn it up. Everything turns good. Bearings seem to be tight. This one here sticks up a tad bit. My gut says that the ball's probably a little, maybe the ball's out of the bottom. But again, that's part of the, you know, that's part of something you just fix when you do the rebuild on it. All we've done is washed it up. The planetary, you come out 2 cores, made one out of it, and put it back together. So if this can help you with your early style high-low assembly without having to do all the upgrades, that's what this offers for. And it's priced based off of the parts you actually can get, plus all the pieces that are included. So it may be a little higher than most people think it should be, but we don't set the prices. We just go by what Deere charges for them, and that's what it's going to cost you. So it's about half price of our rebuilt planetaries, or excuse me, our rebuilt high-lows.